Reminds me of a story of a client I had who wore a suit every single day. And he sustained some nerve damage in the tips of his fingers. And it didn't necessarily prohibit him from moving his hands. What it did was every single day when he buttoned his shirt, it caused him pain on his fingertips. So he would button his shirt in the morning and he would have pain with every single button. At the end of the night, he would take his shirt off and unbutton it, and it would cause him pain every single night. And through a series of conversations and knowing our client, he explained to me this pain that he experienced every day. Now, this story is one that I don't think a lot of lawyers would have learned about if they didn't get to know their client, if they didn't spend the time to care about what's going on in that client's life. Things like picking up their grandchildren, going and playing golf with their kids, or even skiing with their kids are all things that sometimes are overlooked. I had another case with a client that explained to me, and maybe I'm dating myself, this is before rear view mirrors and cameras, that every time he looked over his shoulder, it caused him pain and he had a difficulty to do it. And this was something that we learned from really talking to our clients and finding out what's going wrong, what's affecting them. And we use all of those stories and all of those knowledge to create a story for the insurance company and to create one for the jury of who our client is and how this event, how this motor vehicle wreck affected our client's life. And we try to package all that up so that a jury can go down the list of damages, or, of course, the insurance company can go down its list of damages and decide the value of this case. And we want to make sure that early on they're setting the value of their case, their reserves, as high as possible. And that's why you want to make sure that from the very beginning you have a competent attorney who's an experienced personal injury lawyer to be on your side and to work your case up as early as possible. Call us today.